Hi, love. The subtle tests women give men and how to pass them. Gentlemen, let me tell you something that most men don't realize. Women test men. Not in the classroom, not in the scantron, but in life, in love, in relationships. Women will throw you little challenges, little trials, little moments where they want to see what you're made of. And no, this doesn't mean women are evil masterminds trying to trick you. It means women are wired to want a man they can trust, respect, and feel safe with. And the only way they know if you're that guy is by testing you. Here's the problem. Most men fail these tests. They get defensive, they get insecure, they fold, or they blow up, and suddenly she loses attraction, respect, and interest. Today, I'm going to break down the subtle tests women give men, why they do it, and most importantly, how you can pass it like a man who knows his worth. If you've ever been confused by a woman's behavior or felt like she was putting your buttons, buckle up. By the end of this video, you will never be blindsided again. Why women test men. Let's start with the big question. Why do women test men? The short answer: security. Think about it. Women are naturally drawn to men who are secure, confident, capable, and grounded. A man she can lean on. A man she can respect. A man who won't crumble under pressure. But here's the thing. Any guy can say he is confident. Any guy can act strong when things are easy. The only way she knows if it's real is by seeing how you react under pressure. That's why women test men. Not because they hate you, but just because they want to know, are you secure in yourself? Do you stand firm in your values? Can you stand her emotions without losing your cool? If you pass, her attraction grows. If you fail, well, she starts wondering if you're really the man she thought you were. The type of tests women give. Now let's break down the kinds of tests women give men. I will divide them into 4 categories. Number 1, emotional tests. These are tests of your emotional stability. She wants to see if you can handle her moods, her frustrations, or even her little jabs without crumbling or lashing out. Example, she gets moody for no clear reason. You ask, what's wrong? And she says, nothing, I'm fine. That's an emotional test. Can you stay calm, patient, and empathetic? Or will you snap back and make it worse? Second one, boundaries tests. These tests are about respect. She wants to see if you let her walk all over you or if you hold your ground. Example, she pushes for something you're not comfortable with. Maybe canceling your plans to do hers. Maybe poking fun at you in front of friends. She's checking, will you fold to avoid conflict? Or will you stand firm with respect? The third one is attraction tests. These are subconscious tests to see if you are still the confident man she was attracted to. For example, she teases you, flirts with another guy in front of you, or makes a snide comment about your looks. She's watching. Do you get jealous, insecure, needy, or do you stay calm, playful, unbothered? Number 4, life competency tests. These are the big picture tests. She wants to know if you can handle life, your goals, your responsibilities, your visions. For example, she asks, where do you see yourself in 5 years? Or points out that you're not handling your finances well. That's not nagging, it is a test. She is asking, can this man lead? Can I trust his direction? Common everyday tests. Now let's get specific. Here are some subtle tests you've probably experienced without realizing. She takes forever to get ready to see how you react. She forgets to text back for a while just to see if you blow up her phone. She says, you don't have to get me anything for my birthday, but secretly hopes that you ignore that and surprise her. She picks a small fight over something trivial just to see if you lose your temper or stay calm. She asks questions like, would you still love me if I gained 20 pounds? Each one is a test. Not of your love, but of your character. How men usually fail. Most men fail these tests in 2 ways. The first one, they get defensive. She teases you and you blow up. Why would you even say that? Fail because it shows insecurity. The second one, they fold. She pushes your boundary and you cave just for peace to reign. Fail because it shows weakness. Both of them kill attraction. Women don't want men who are overly aggressive, but they also don't want pushovers. They want men who can stay centered, grounded, and calm under pressure. How to pass the test. Alright, now the good stuff. Here's your playbook for passing women's tests like a pro. Rule 1. Stay calm. No matter what the test is. The first key is emotional control. If you blow up, get insecure, or start begging, you already lost. Calmness equals to confidence. Rule 2. Respond with humor. Humor is your secret weapon. If she teases you, tease her back playfully. If she throws a curveball question, laugh it off before answering. Playfulness shows you're unshaken. Example, she says, would you still love me if I gain 20 pounds? You say, babe, I'll still love you even if you turn into a burrito. She laughs. Test passed. Rule 3. Hold your boundaries. If she pushes against your values, politely but firmly stand your ground. Example, she says, cancel your plans and come with me. You say, I can't cancel tonight. I made a commitment, but I'll take you out tomorrow. You respected yourself. You respected her. Boundary held. Rule 4. Lead with confidence. Women want to feel like they can trust your leadership. That doesn't mean being bossy. It means being decisive, clear, and intentional. If she's testing your direction in life, don't get flustered. Show her you have a plan, even if you're still figuring things out. Confidence in your path reassures her. Real life scenarios. Scenario 1, the mood swing. I don't know, I just feel weird. Forget it. Most guys, you're always so dramatic. Fail. Smart guy, okay, I'll give you some space. But when you're ready, I'm here. Pass. Scenario 2, the jealousy test. Flirts a little with a waiter. Most guys, what the hell was that? Are you into him or something? Fail. Smart guy, smile. Put your hand around her and say, careful, you're not trading up. Pass. Scenario 3, the boundary push. Skip your gym and come with me. Most guys, fine, whatever. Fail. Smart guy, I can't skip today, but I'll call you right after. Pass. Why passing tests matters. Here's the deal. If you keep failing a woman's tests, she loses attraction. It is not about the little thing itself. It is about what it represents. Fail emotional tests equal to she feels unsafe with your emotions. Fail boundary tests equal to she loses respect for you. Fail attraction tests equal to she starts wondering if she picked the wrong guy. Fail life competency tests. She questions your future together. But when you pass, her respect, trust, and attraction grow stronger. She feels like she can relax into your leadership because you're unshaken. The secret about tests. Here is the secret most men don't realize. Women don't want you to fail. When she tests you, she's actually hoping you will pass. Because passing means she chose right. It reassures her that you're the man she thought you were. So instead of resenting her tests, reframe them. They are opportunities. Opportunities to show her, I'm confident, I'm grounded, I'm not going anywhere. So, gentlemen, remember this. Women test men not because they are cruel, but because they are wired to want a man they can trust. Every sarcastic comment, every mood swing, every would you still love me if moment, it is all a test of your confidence, your boundaries, your ability to stay calm under pressure. Pass those tests and you will not only keep her attraction, you will deepen her respect and love for you. Fail them, well, you will join the long line of guys who never understood why she suddenly lost interest. If this video gave you some insight, smash that like button. Leave a comment about the wildest test a woman ever gave you. And hit the subscribe button for more straight up relationship advice for men. And remember, women don't want perfection. They just want a man who can stay grounded no matter what. I'll see you next time. Bye.